Another great exercise to work on scapulothoracic control, how the scapula moves on the rib cage, is a Y and a T. There are many variations of this. This current exercise is going to be a single arm YT exercise from tabletop. In this position, we're going to work on a couple postures. So we want to chin tuck and elongate the head. You want to push up through the thoracic spine, creating a kyphosis, a little bit of flexion, but not the whole back. From here, we would work on one shoulder. So this side is going to stabilize while we do a single arm T. In this position, we want to make sure we are relaxed through the trap and come up. You can hold in that position. A hold of a few seconds is good. Alternately, you can do a Y. So in this same position, chin tuck, elongated neck, stabilized shoulder, up into a Y.